How to fix ExpressVPN not uninstalling in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might be facing problem when uninstalling the ExpressVPN software in Windows 11. You might get 0x80070643 error code in this process during the installation. Follow the steps to fix it. For this, launch a browser, type Revo, REVO. Click on Revo Uninstaller. Click on Free Downloads. Over here on the Revo Uninstaller page, click on Download Free Trial. Let the file download. Once downloaded, click on the Setup file. OK. Check this box. I accept the agreement. Click on Next. Then click on Next. Click on Next again. Then click on Install. Click on Finish. On the Revo Uninstaller, find ExpressVPN, right click on this software and select uninstall. Check all the three boxes and click on continue. Once uninstalled, click on scan. After uninstallation is completed, click on close. Close the Revo Uninstaller and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.